The Veterans Organization in CLALLAM County jointly sponsors this ceremony at $1,300 on the last Friday of each month. The names of those veterans in this area who have died in the preceding month are read. As each name is read, the Liberty Bell replica is struck once as a token of our respect and appreciation for the deceased service. It is written, "No man is an island entire to itself. Any man's death diminishes me because I am involved in mankind. Therefore, never send to know whom the bell tolls. It tolls for thee."
John Arthur Anderson. Glenn Lee Barton, United States Navy. He was a Naval Academy graduate and a naval aviator, fighter pilot on the USS Ticonderoga and USS Constitution. He had over 100 carrier landings. Richard Dick Huffman Beckevar, United States Merchant Marine, World War II, served in the Pacific Theater and South Pacific on both Liberty and Victory ships. John Joseph Cameron, United States Coast Guard, retired from the Coast Guard after 20 years as a TTCS. J. Crawford. Donald Calvin Eggert. Roy Vermont Ellefson, United States Army Air Corps. He was a sergeant and a crew chief in World War II, served in Ireland and England. Alex A. Essen. Robert Andrew Evison. Vernon Dale Fincher. Robert William Giese, United States Army Air Corps. Charles Anthony Knox. Lauren William Cruther. Michael James Love. Jack Victor McEwen, United States Army, served in World War II. Ronald Lee McMurphy. Larry McCone, United States Army, stationed in Alaska. He was a tank operator and a cook. James Musselwhite, Donald Arthur Nelson, United States Air Force, served in the Korean War, flew over 50 missions over North Korea. John Vincent Norton III, United States Army, served in Vietnam. Richard Furman Olson, Robert Richard Rowley, Mary Wasness Smelling, United States Navy, nursing assistant in Astoria, Oregon, and in Bremerton. Thomas John Smersich, United States Army, served 1961 to 1964. Randy Carl Stark Sr., United States Army. Charles James Strong, Bert Leroy Tracy, United States Navy. James Howard Trumpo, United States Army Air Corps, served in World War II. John Alton Van Gordon, United States Army, served in Vietnam. Radioman, he was a Sergeant E5. David Wayne Vedine, United States Army. Alan John Wickert. And today we have a special name, Douglas A. Monroe, United States Coast Guard. September 27th is the 77th anniversary of the death of Signalman First Class Robert Class Monroe. He was killed in action while leading an evacuation of 800 Marines from the beach in Guadalcanal. He is the Coast Guard's only Medal of Honor recipient, and one of the men he evacuated was Chesty Puller. Our flag recipient today is Randy McCone, son of John Larry McCone.
Order! Who? Uncover! Almighty eternal God, Father of all faiths, we have gathered together for this remembrance service to honor those veterans whom you have called home to your realm this past month. While they have passed from our view, God, let them know that they are still with us in memory. They are not forgotten. Amen. Cover! Piper! Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our ceremony for today. Thank you very much for coming.